Newcastle University discovers how 10 minutes of exercise can help fight cancer. Newcastle University has uncovered one of the most exciting scientific explanations yet for why exercise protects the body from cancer, and the answer lies in what happens inside your blood after just 10 minutes of intense movement. According to new research from the university, a short burst of vigorous exercise triggers a wave of powerful biological changes that can switch on DNA repair, shut down cancer growth signals, and alter the activity of hundreds of genes linked to tumor development. This discovery doesn't just deepen our understanding of cancer prevention, it opens the door to future therapies inspired by the body's natural response to movement. The science behind the breakthrough. Researchers at Newcastle University asked volunteers to perform 10 minutes of intense cycling. Blood samples taken immediately afterward revealed a surge of small molecules, many linked to reduced inflammation, improved blood vessel function, and metabolic regulation. When scientists applied this post-exercise blood to bowel cancer cells in the lab, the results were remarkable. DNA repair mechanisms switched on. Cancer growth pathways switched off. Hundreds of cancer-related genes changed activity. In other words, exercise sends powerful anti-cancer signals through the bloodstream, signals strong enough to alter the behavior of cancer cells themselves. Why this matters? Bowel cancer is one of the most common cancers in the UK, with nearly 120 new cases every day. While doctors have long known that exercise reduces cancer risk, the biological why has been harder to pinpoint. This study provides the clearest explanation yet. Movement changes your blood, and your blood changes your cells. It's a molecular chain reaction that begins the moment your heart rate spikes. A new frontier, exercise-inspired therapies. Lead researchers say this discovery could help scientists design new treatments that mimic or enhance the beneficial effects of exercise, especially for patients who are unable to be physically active. Imagine medicines that trigger the same anti-cancer signals your body naturally produces during a workout. This research brings that possibility one step closer. What this means for you. You don't need hours in the gym. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need a perfect routine. Just 10 minutes of intense movement, cycling, running, fast walking, skipping, or any activity that gets your heart pumping may help your body activate its own cancer-fighting systems. It's a powerful reminder that small habits can create big biological changes.